In this video, we will show you how to install a mass airflow sensor on your Subaru Impreza. It's located in the engine bay. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to disconnect the negative cable. We'll just put that off to the side. We're going to move the connector off of the MAF, push down, just push, pull, take that off, and then we're going to take these two Phillips head screws off. And just wiggle, pull it out. We're going to install the MAF into its respective spot. We're going to put our two Phillips head screws back in. Start them by hand. And then snug them down. And just push the connector on. Reinstall the negative cable. Tighten it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.